What is up, guys? It's BT back here again with my vinyl setup. Okay, so who else out there remembers the days when you would go out to the store and pick up your favorite artist's album on CD on release day, or maybe it was just a casual day with your friends and you want to go out and find some new music? Nothing beats that feeling, and I felt myself craving that feeling again because everything is digital these days, especially with all the streaming sites. So I thought, what better way to get that old feeling back than to go even further back and go and get a vinyl player. So today I'm going to be going over my vinyl setup and what I'm using currently. But before we begin, guys, don't forget to subscribe for more content like this. And as always, if you have any recommendations, let me know down below. So I needed something that could store my vinyls while I was able to hold the weight of my setup. So I picked up the IKEA Kellex shelf with Drona Boxes to hold my vinyls. It's a 4x2 shelf, and I can truly say this piece of furniture has made the hugest difference in my setup since I got it. Moving on to the speakers, I've done a previous video on these big boys, the Yamaha HS8s. These speakers have built-in amps, so there's no need for any external amps. They also have plenty of power and produced amazing sound quality. And yes, guys, there's bass. A lot of bass. The vinyl player I use is the Sony PSHX500. I got this first off because, you know, I'm a Sony fanboy, like you guys call me. Secondly, because it has a line and a phono out, so I don't need to use any kind of amps or receivers to use it with my speakers. Third, it records DSD media to your computer for your listening pleasure lately. I honestly could not be happier with this vinyl player. It looks sleek, it's clean, it's all black. It was easy to set up as well. No need to assemble any cartridges, just the tone arm and the balancing of the tone arm right out of the box, which was pretty easy. Now, my vinyl collection has grown to over 80 vinyls recently. It's a lot. I love going to the record store and just checking out vinyls, finding albums that I forgot about. I mean, whether it's SZA or Kendrick Lamar or Cascade, it's just so cool having your favorite artists on vinyl and something that's tangible, that's not streaming. It can be pretty pricey though, at $20 each for most, but there's something about owning your favorite music that just can't be replicated from streaming it online. I love opening the vinyls just to find that there's these amazing colors like orange, there's green, there's red, there's clear. It just makes you feel like a kid on Christmas, like you found a needle in a haystack. Like, oh, I found this green vinyl or red vinyl. It's really, really fun. So yeah, if you guys are looking to feel like a kid on Christmas, I will be posting my exact setup down below. Let me know, do you guys have a vinyl player? Are you interested in getting a vinyl player? Have you ever thought about getting one? So let me know if you guys want to see a collection video or want a vinyl recommendation video down below in the comments. And don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already. It's been your boy BT saying peace. I'll see you in the next one.